In this video, you will learn how to choose where your voicemail and fax messages are stored in the Webex User Hub. Start by logging into the Webex User Hub. From the menu on the left, select Settings, then click Calling. Next, select Voicemail. Under Voicemail Settings, choose how you want your messages stored. You can select Internal Mailbox to keep your voicemail and fax messages within Webex. You can also check the box to enable the Cisco IP phone new message indicator, which allows your phone to visually alert you when a new voicemail is received. Alternatively, select External Mailbox and enter the email address where your voicemail and fax messages should be sent. Please note that when using an external mailbox, messages will not be accessible through your phone, Webex apps, or the calling user portal. Once you have made your selection, click Save to apply your changes.